Welcome back to Haley's Amazing Life. Today is May 22nd, 2022, and I'm filming this. And my teacher, Miss Crystal, will be showing this on the last day of school. Well, so yeah, today I'm just going to be reviewing what we learned this year. Second graders, keep watching to see what you'll learn next year. And third graders, keep watching just in case if you forgot a few stuff that you think you didn't, but you did. So yeah, it's okay if you forget these stuff. So first, I'm going to do math. Oh, and by the way, this is not my room. It's the guest room, but I've been sleeping here. So yeah, I have this little doll bed over here, kind of where I'm going to be using a table. So yeah. First we're going to do multiplication. If you're watching this in the classroom, teachers, if your students are learning multiplication or just learned them, please pause the video to see if your students know these. Okay? You don't have to. I'm just saying please do for if you're watching it in the classroom. Maybe a fun idea. Alright. So first, the ones. 1 times 1 equals 1. And I'm kind of getting a little quiet for a little bit so then you guys can say out loud for if your teacher wants to do it or your teacher can call on someone. Yeah. 1 times 2 equals 2. Well, I feel like the ones are a little easy. I want to move on to the 2s. 2 times 2 equals 4. 2 times 3 equals 6. 2 times 4 equals 8. 2 times 5 equals 10. Wait, sorry guys, I forgot to do the quiet. Okay. And then 2 times 6 equals 12. 2 times 7 equals 14. 4 times 8 equals 16. 4 times 9 equals 18. 2 times 10 equals 20. 2 times 11 equals 22. 2 times 12 equals 24. Alright, now we're moving on to the 3s. Now those are a little bit harder. So I'm going to have my paper here and then the sheet. This I kind of use as a dough sheet. So I'm just going to really get the board out and I'm going to write down some stuff for if I don't remember. So I have some paper and pen. Alright. 3 times 2 equals 6. Voila! Sorry, my cat was scratching on the carpet. Voila! 3 times 3 equals 9. 3 times, wait, what did we do? Oh, 3 times 4 equals 12. 3 3 times 1. Oh, yeah. 33. 3 times 12 equals 36. Now it's time for the 4s. 4 times 2 equals 8. 4 times 3 equals 12. 4 times 4 equals 16. 4 times 5 equals 20. 4 times 6 equals 24. 4 times 8 equals 28. 4 times 4 times 8 equals 32. 4 times 9 equals 36. 4 times 10 equals 40. 4 times 11 equals 44. And last but not least, 4 times 12 equals 48. Alright, now the 5s. 5 times 2 equals 10. 5 times 3 equals 15. 5 times 4 equals 20. 5 times 5 equals 25. 5 times 6 equals 30. 5 times 7 equals 35. 5 times 8 equals 40. 5 times 9 equals 48. 45. 4, yeah. And then 5 times 10 equals 50. Whoops, my pen. 5 times 11 equals 55. 5 times 12 equals 60. Okay. Now the 6s. 6 times 2 equals, I think I don't want to go up to the 10 sound song because this is turning off. 6 times, 2 equals 12. 6 times 3 equals 18. 6 times 4 equals 24. 6 times 5 equals 30. 6 times 6 equals 36. 6 times 7 equals 42. 6 times 8 equals 48. 6 times 9 equals 59. Wait, what? Oh, 6 times 10 equals 60. 6 times 6 times 11 equals 66. 6 times 12 equals 78. Okay, I'm going to start with the 12 while you start. Okay, 7 times 2 equals 14. 7 times 3 equals 21. 7 times 4 equals 28. 7 times 5 equals 35. 7 times 6 equals 42. 7 times 7 equals 49. 7 times 8 equals 56. 7 times 9 equals 63. 7 times 10 equals 70. 7 times 8 times 2 equals 16. 8 times 3 equals 24. 8 times 4 equals 32. 8 times 5 equals 40. 8 times 6 equals 56. 8 times 7 equals 56. Okay. And 8 times 6 equals 48. 8 times 7 equals 56. 8 times 8 equals 64. 8 times 9 equals 72. 8 times 10 equals 80. Okay. I think I'm going to stop there because this is already long. Okay. And, yeah. Alright. Now we are going to do the strategies we learned this year. So first we're going to be doing number lines. So you get your piece of paper if you're going to follow along with me. Okay, so first, you hold your paper like this way, and then you put a line in the middle. Alright, let's say our equation is 332 minus 150. Yeah. Alright, so you start at 332, put it at the end. You can see that. Yeah. Okay. And then to do was 30, and then that is 302, and then so now we have 120 left. So I'm going to subtract 2 now. Oh, and that gets us to 300. And then, so now we have 118 left. And so I'm going to subtract 100. And that gets us to 200. And then minus 18. And that is, so I don't know 200 minus 18, so I'm going to stack it up, so I'm going to show you what it looks like when I'm done. Okay. Good. See that? Yeah. Okay. And then you do that, and then 0 minus 8, you can't do that. You cannot, and neither can you do 0 minus 1, so you go 2 to 2. Or except that, and make it 1, you get 10, you put 10 in the 10, then you need a 20, right, for the 1, so you make the 10 a 9, and then 10 minus 8 equals 2, 9 minus 1 equals 8, and 1 minus 0 equals 1, so that means it is 182. And you got your answer. Alright, now I want to do an addition one. So let's say that's an addition. So 332 plus 150. You draw your number line. But this time you start at 150, and then whenever you get to 332, you add all those hops up, and then that's your answer. So 150, I'm going to use, instead of doing minus, you do a plus sign, plus 50, and then that gets me to 200, and then I'm going to add 100, and that gets me to 300, and then plus 32, that gets us to 332. Alright, now the thing that I did when I didn't know 200 minus 18, I will be doing that again, but I will be doing 100 at the top, and 50, 32, the line, then a plus sign, then 0, plus 0 plus 2 equals 2, and then 5 plus 0 plus 5 plus 3 equals 8, and then 1 plus 0 plus 0 equals 1, and so, wait, so 2, 1 second, okay, I get 182, okay, I'm confused on that one, but, okay. Now I am going to be reviewing science. So in science we did rocks and minerals. We did diamond dowel, so I'm going to go get the ones that I got and then use that to help. So I'll be right back. hear siren. Comment down below if you hear it too. Jasmine, you hear it? Jasmine is my dog right there. She's a Yorkie. Jasmine, say hi to the camera. Say hi. Alright. The bag tears a little bit. So, we'll come to a YouTube video. Alright, so first I have this crystal. So yeah, this one is actually my favorite. And then I have like this rock. And it's kind of like throw up to me. So, oh, I do not really like this. I have this one. It's not real, like the stuff that grows on tree branches and soft, but it kind of looks like it gets. Oh yeah, this is a unique one. I also have this crystal, a little dirty at the top, but yeah. And then I got a bunch of chocolates because like, a lot of people are giving me theirs, so. My cockroach kind of looks like it came from the moon. I threw a draw myself, but to show you guys, but it didn't really show up. Alright, so I got a bunch of those. Let me try all of them. We have all of those chocolates. I got these two little things. They look like an ocean to me in life. So yeah, I have those. And then these two blue. Wait, no, sounds not. Yeah, I trade that. Now this blue one is much lighter in real life and prettier. Ah, I dropped it in my belt. Okay. It reminds me of a peacock feather. This kind of reminds me of a mountain. Dun, 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 and mountain fell. So I have this. I have this one looks like a normal rock, but found it, so guess it's a mineral or a rock. All these are crystals, minerals, or what rocks are made out of, or rocks. So I feel like I'm this one. I have this normal rock one with the stuff that looks like what's on here. So yeah, I have this other crystal that looks kind of like a tooth. A tooth. Wait, I got that. I'm about to right inside my mouth. Another throw up one. Sounds like in a pretty cool shape. We have another rock. And you know, I kind of like, I go into kind of close, so we that one. This, I'm not sure what it's called, but it's pretty cool. Look, it's a crystal one, purple and white, and it looks like it's all sparkly. It's really cool. So yeah. And then I have this one. It's gold. Yeah. I wanna the purple and white sparkly ones. One sec, right? Okay. These are called cat's eye. Tiger eyes. They are really cool. They're rare. I got 5 of them, so yeah. Make really satisfying sound them there. And then I have these. Wait, this is one of the purple sparkling ones. 2 more rocks. And then this is called a moonstone. Looks like a rock, but I had a checklist for it and it says it's called a moonstone. So this is actually from the moon. None of my other classmates got this. Let me just clean this up real quick. And then social studies, we learned about the explorers. That Columbus is the only, Christopher Columbus is the only one I know how to pronounce. He is the first one who decided to sail. He was born in England, I believe, and then he went to Spain so then the king and queen there can pay for his journey. He meant to go to India, but he actually went to America. He found there were people there already, and so he saw he was in India. He named them Indians. So yeah, and then also when he was sailing, it took him 7 whole years. Not kidding. And he went 2 or 3 times. So yeah. I don't really remember much of the other. Well, I do remember that they sailed now and that they went to America and saw the Indians and sailed back and yeah, but I don't really know much. I don't really even remember their names. I know what each one looks like and their name, because I don't really know how to pronounce it. So I'm not really going to try. So yeah. And Columbus was actually the first one to sail from all those explorers. So yeah. Now writing. We learn how to write narratives, opinion writing, and informational. So first I'm gonna write an informational writing on cats. Lily, a girl in my class, if you're watching, I'm sure you really like this because you know your favorite animal is cats. So I'm going to title it Cat. And so this is an informational one. So, I get facts. So I'm going to write Today we are going to talk about cats. There are many different types of cats. There are tiger, cheetahs, home cat, and many more. I'm going to be talking about the home. The home cat. Wait. If you're getting a cat, then you might want to get a scratching post so your cat doesn't you'll also need to get a litter box or what else your cat will go to the restroom everywhere. You'll also need to shovel them say like green. My red light and many more. Now it's a conclusion. And conclusion sentence is what you say instead of saying the end. So yeah, I hope you like my paragraph about cats and worms. A little bit about. And that's the end of my story. Well, not story, but so we did lots of those this year. My favorite was narrative. A narrative is when you write a story with characters, a setting, and dialogue. Dialogue is what you do to show that the characters is speaking. So yeah. I hate grammar. We learned about nouns. A noun is a person, place, or thing. So I am going to be writing down something, and then you guys pause the video and say, is it a noun? No, or not. House. And it is a noun because it's a place. Air. Air is not a noun because it is not a person, a place, or a thing. And now it to it is a noun. Alright. Now I'm like drawing the picture too, so you guys have to give me a minute. A vase is what you put flowers and put it in. use nouns that actually tells you. Whereas, like, for example, a restaurant, McDonald's, say you say go to a restaurant. You can tell them what kind of restaurant. That's a pronoun or a person. So, Bob. Is Bob a pronoun? He is. Okay. Now I am going to Hilltop. It is a pronoun. Okay, now I'm going to do, well, I think that's it. Alright. This video is getting pretty long, so I'm going to stop it here. Okay. Bye, guys. See you next video. Peace out. Wait. First, I need to give out shout out. Shout out to my teacher, Miss Crystal, for being the best teacher ever. And shout out to Emma Kate for being the bestest friend ever. Shout out to Connolly for helping me when my BFF moved away. Shout out to Carter for always being there for me. Well, I am really just trying to think of stuff that people did to help me, and everyone is in my class. Shout out to Kevin for leading us in the line and showing us where to go. Shout out to Lily for showing me what cats really are. I actually told my family about how you really like cats, and because of you, we actually have a cat now. I'm gonna go see if I can get her. You guys actually don't see me. Luna! Oh, Luna says hi to Lily. Say hi to Lily. Say hi. Say hi. Yeah, good girl. Oh, yeah. Yeah, Lily and my class really likes cats, and because I was going to find this video, so I recorded. I'm still recording. Alright, so shout out to Lily. Shout out to Russ for being really smart, so you are always helping people. Shout out to Natalie for being a really good friend. Shout out to Reagan for helping me find my favorite animal. I'm trying to think of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 10 more people in my class. Oh. Shout out to Kensley for making our class bigger and 8, 9 more people. So I have 9 people and 9 more to go. Out to Uda and me for being really funny. Shout out to Terrence for for helping Dominic be funny. Shout out to Payne to show that Black people are really good people. So I'm gonna say on for him. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that means I have 18 people in my class. So 18 minus 12 equals. I mean, 18 minus 12 equals. So 12 to get to 18. So I have 3, 6. Yeah. Okay. I can't really think of anyone else. So if I skipped you, shout out to you. Oh, and then my best friend. Shout out to Kaya in Miss Art's class. Peyton in Miss Hare's class. And that's all. Bye guys, see you next video. Peace out.